tab. You'll have a printed copy of this, so I'll have to give it to you in class. And the links and the video directions will be in Google Classroom for you. So when you click on this link, it's going to take you to this screen. We're going to click on the first tab, Introduction. It should look something like that. And then we are going to fill out this table. And what you're going to do first is look at the solution column and make sure you have the right solution. So the first one says water, and we have water picked here. Draw the ions. So I'll give you colored pencils. You'll draw what you see in the magnifying glass here. And then it says the equation. That'll be underneath. So down here, you'll make sure you write that out. Color of pH paper. You'll click on the pH paper. Don't write this color. You have to drag it and put it down, and then the color that it changes to while it's in there. If you dip the whole thing, that's the easiest way, because when it comes out, it'll be the correct color. So that will go in the color. The pH, you'll click on this tool, drag it in there, and it'll give you your answer. And then this last column, the strength of conductivity, you'll click this, make sure you do that, and you're going to describe how bright this is. You might want to do all of them, like click one each and do that column first so you can compare like brightest, least bright, that sort of thing. So if I were you, I wouldn't know how to describe that. I would click this, see if it's brighter, this, and kind of rank them in the order of how bright they are. And that's it for this table. A few questions. Which ions are most abundant in acid, base, and water? How are you going to know that? It's going to be what's on the right side. And then, for instance, with water, you're going to count. There's 2 of each, so those would be equal. In an acid, you might have more of one than the other, and that would be your answer. Same with a base. After that, we're going to have to click a new tab down here. So underneath, we're going to click the second tab that says My Solution. Things change a little bit. I'll hit reset, make sure everything's set at the beginning. Now it says we're going to adjust the concentration of a strong acid to 0.001. So we have an acid. How do I make it strong? Click over here. Now it's strong. I'm going to do a weak one so you can't get the answer, so please don't write what I do down. It's going to be wrong. We said the concentration should be 0.001. So put it all the way down to the left. We have 0.001. Put the pH meter in. That's this thing. And record what the pH is. Change the concentration to 0.01. Write the new pH. Change it to 0.1 and 1 and write the pHs. This table is the same thing, except you're doing it for a strong base. And then you're going to answer these questions. As concentration increases by 1/10, which is each time you go here, what happens to the pH? And as the concentration goes up, as we go down the table, what happens to the number of ions in solutions? So you'll be looking at all the different ions in there. And that's it. Then you are done.